Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to print Draw.io diagrams in 2026. If you want to print your flowcharts, network diagrams, or any design for meetings or documentation, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your diagram in Draw.io and make sure everything is properly arranged on the canvas. Next, click the File menu in the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down options, select Print. Now the print preview window will appear. Here you can review how your diagram will look on paper. Next, adjust the page settings such as paper size, orientation, and margins to fit your diagram correctly. Now zoom or scale the diagram if needed so all elements are clearly visible within the page boundaries. Next, choose your printer from the available list and make sure it is properly connected. Now check print quality settings to ensure your diagram prints clearly and professionally. If your diagram is large, consider printing multiple pages or adjusting the layout to fit better. Next, click Print to start the printing process and wait for the output to complete. Finally, review the printed diagram to make sure all shapes, text, and connectors appear correctly, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to print Draw.io diagrams. Your diagrams are now ready for physical use in meetings, reports, or presentations. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.